This video explores the National Research Council rankings of statistics graduate programs using clustering and linked brushing. This code loads Canvas, the National Research Council ranking data, runs the clustering algorithm, and sets up the data for Canvas and loads the data into several plots. Multiple linked plots are set up. We have a parallel coordinate plot of some of the ranking criteria variables: number of students, assistant professors, total faculty, average GRE of incoming students, number of PhDs per year or average number of PhDs per year, percentage of international students, female faculty, median time to degree, and average citations and number of publications. This is displayed vertically, which is a slightly different type of parallel coordinate plot. And then we have a dendrogram. This is generated using the parallel coordinate plot display with some jittering. This displays the hierarchical clustering results. This is linked to a scatter plot of two different ranking schemes, the S ranking and the R ranking schemes. And you can see that they both actually give slightly different results for many departments. And then finally, there's a text browser that allows us to search for different program names or see which program names have different characteristics. Here we start with brushing in the dendrogram. One of the clusters from the 8-cluster solution is highlighted. We can see this group of universities. There's 6 universities in this group. We can see their values on the different ranking variables, and for the most part it's quite mixed. They have values all over the map in terms of publications, citations, median time to degree, female faculty, international students. It is fairly concentrated in the average number of PhDs. These universities or these programs produce a smaller number of PhD students. They are also, for the most part, accepting students with the lowest GRE scores. There's small programs in terms of small number of total faculty and in terms of number of students. There's one institution that has a higher GRE of the incoming class, and we can look at which one this is by clicking on the labels of the 6 universities in the text browser. And we find that this is actually the biometry program at Cornell University. The biometry program has a higher GRE requirement than the statistics program. We can also see that these 6 universities have very mixed ratings or rankings from the scatter plot. You can see that these points, highlighted points, are all over the place. And that one institution that has got a high rank happens to be that Cornell biometry program. Multiple different searches you can do quite easily by working through the cluster solution and examining the results to understand something about how the different universities are similar or different from each other. We highlight another cluster which is primarily programs that are very highly ranked. And for the most part, you can see they have high citations and publications and strong research programs, but it's still somewhat of a mixed bag.